If OneNote is showing error 1200, the good news is that there is a reliable fix you can try in just a few minutes. This error is often connected to saved login credentials or temporary cloud sign-in data stored on your Windows PC. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the safest step-by-step method to fix OneNote error 1200 and get things working again. Before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe if this tutorial helps you. It really supports the channel and helps more people find quick fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is fully close OneNote. Don't just minimize it, make sure OneNote is completely shut down. To be extra safe, close any other Microsoft Office apps too, like Word, Excel, Outlook, or PowerPoint. This matters because these apps can share the same sign-in session, and leaving them open can keep the error active. Now press Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run box. In the Run window, type %local AppData %, then press Enter. This takes you directly to your local AppData folder, where Windows stores a lot of temporary files and account-related data. When File Explorer opens, look for the Microsoft folder and open it. Inside that folder, you should see a folder called Credentials. This is one of the main places where Windows can store login tokens and cloud authentication data that may be causing OneNote error or to 1200. Right-click the Credentials folder and choose Delete. If Windows asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This may sound a little aggressive, but this is the key step that often clears out the corrupted login state behind the error. Next, we need to clean up the saved credentials in Windows Credential Manager. Open the Start menu and type Credential Manager. Select it from the search results. Once it opens, click Windows Credentials. Now scroll down to the Generic Credentials section. Here, you want to look for anything related to Microsoft Office, OneDrive, or your Microsoft account. In particular, keep an eye out for entries that mention Microsoft Office 16, OneDrive, or Microsoft Account. If you find any of those entries, click the small drop-down arrow next to the item so you can expand it. Then click Remove. Do this for each related credential you find. The idea here is to clear out the outdated or broken sign-in tokens so OneNote can create a fresh connection the next time you open it. Once you've removed the relevant credentials, close Credential Manager and restart your computer. I know that extra restart may feel optional, but it helps Windows fully refresh the login state and makes the fix much more likely to work. After your computer comes back on, open OneNote again and sign in if prompted. In many cases, error 1200 should now be gone. If OneNote opens normally, try syncing your notebook or opening the notebook that was giving you trouble and check whether the issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work on the first try, don't panic. Sometimes the same credentials can be recreated by other Office services, so you may need to repeat the steps carefully and make sure every Microsoft Office 16, OneDrive, and Microsoft Account entry is removed from generic credentials. Also double check that OneNote and all Office apps were fully closed before you deleted anything. This fix is one of the most reliable methods because it targets the actual stored authentication data that can trigger OneNote error 1200. Instead of reinstalling everything right away, this gives you a fast and free solution that often works without making bigger changes to your system. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes, tutorials, and productivity tips. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing other OneNote troubleshooting steps, including sync issues, sign-in loops, and notebook errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.